Figure A and Figure B below are formed using 6 identical rectangles and 2 identical triangles. In Figure B, 2 of the rectangle overlap at X. The length of each rectangle is 3 times its breadth. Both the length and the breadth of the rectangle are whole numbers. Alright, so the statement that we are trying to see whether it's true or false is the area of the triangle is 5 times each of the rectangle itself. So what I'm going to do is, let's say that the length of each rectangle is 5 centimeters, and let's say the breadth of each rectangle is 2 centimeters. Okay, so you can use this so you can prove whether a statement is true or false. Okay, in this case over here, okay, let's draw a way for us to just see how it looks like. So in this case, this would then be 5 centimeters because that's the length that we assume this will be. So I'm going to write here 5 centimeters. Okay, so we have 5 centimeters over here. And then we also have the breadth as well. So the breadth is, in this case, let me make this too small. Alright, so this will be 5 centimeters. And then the other one will be 2 centimeters. That's what I see over here. Okay, so in this case, we know that that means the base of the triangle is 5 centimeters. And then what about the height? So in this case, this will then be 5 centimeters as well, and this will then be not 5 centimeters but something else. Okay, so we know that this is 5 centimeters, okay, and this is 2 centimeters. Let me both make this into red, okay, so it's easier to see. So we also know that this is also 5 centimeters. So this whole thing will then be equal to, let me make it into blue, this will then be equal to 3 centimeters in this case. Alright, so let's say area of rectangle is equal to 5 times 2, which is 10 centimeters square. And then area of triangle is equal to half times base times height, and in this case is half, half times 5 times, what's the height, 8, and in this case this will be 20 centimeters square. Okay, therefore this is not true, okay, as the triangle is only 2 times the area of the rectangle, not 5 times. That's what we see over here. Alright, so this is false.